So today what I got for you guys is I'm gonna be cooking a salmon, and I'm gonna teach you how to get rid of that fishy taste. Your salmon is actually gonna end up tasting like ribs. It's gonna be really good, amazing. Let's go to the kitchen. All right, we're at the kitchen now, so let's get it started. This is what we got. Okay, so here I have about 2 pounds of Atlantic salmon, and the first thing I'm gonna show you is basically how to get rid of that fishy taste. Now go ahead and grab your piece of salmon, and using a fillet knife, you're going to cut this area right here. It looks, as you can tell, is a little bit darker than the rest of the fish. The way that I do it, it's by doing 2 cuts towards the center on each side, kind of like a triangle shape. Now this right here, as you can see, is darker than the rest of your fish. This is exactly what gives it that fishy taste, and what you want to do is just get rid of this. Once you get rid of that, you get rid of that fishy taste. Once you have removed all the dark area of your fish, your salmon, the next step is going to be to season the fish. And to season it, what I like to use is this called Brown Sugar Bourbon, made by McCormick Brown. The way I like to season the fish is by just covering both sides with an even layer of seasoning. That should be plenty. Once you have seasoned your fish, then go ahead and cover it and place it inside your fridge for at least 30 minutes to an hour. This is actually the first step out of 3 in adding flavor to your fish or your salmon. Once you're ready to smoke your fish, go ahead and get your smoker started, light it up, and make sure you wait at least 15 minutes after you light up the coals, and wait until the coals are mostly white, then black, before you place your fish in the grill. Once your coals are ready to go, then go ahead and place your fish on the grill, close the lid, and now it's time to add the wood to add that smoky flavor. In this case, I'm using hickory wood, but technically you can literally use any wood that you prefer, whichever you like. I normally use about 2 to 3 pieces. That's normally enough. You don't want to add too much and then have an overwhelming taste of smoke. Now once you have added the wood, just make sure you keep your temperature anywhere from 150 to 200 degrees. That's going to be key. And we're going to go ahead and smoke the salmon for about an hour to an hour and a half. Okay, once you've done that, then go ahead and set up your timer for about 40 minutes. Alright, so once that timer for the 40 minutes is up, so this time what we're going to be adding is going to be a sauce. Brown sugar as well. It's also made by McCormick Brown. Now we're gonna add a thin layer just on the top surface, and once you've done that, then we're gonna go ahead and close the lid back up, and then we're gonna wait anywhere from another 20 to 15 minutes. I normally just add another 20 minutes to make it an hour. Now once your fish is fully cooked to your like, the last step is actually we're gonna add a glaze to it. It's gonna give it a little sweet taste to it. The one that I actually have, it's a little high in sugar, so what I like to do is add about a teaspoon of water, and that would actually cut the sugar in about half. You're gonna go ahead and mix it up with the water, and you're gonna put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds or so, just to get it warm enough. Once you heat it up for 30 seconds, now it's ready for you to pour it over your salmon. Well, that is it, guys. Now you have a salmon that tastes just amazing, and once you taste it, I guarantee you, you wouldn't even believe that you are actually having fish. In this case, I'm having mine with a popular Spanish side dish called tostones, which are fried plantains, but obviously I cooked mine in an air fryer. Now go ahead and give it a try. Let me know what you guys think by leaving a comment below, how you like it. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe to my channel. As of now, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but obviously there's gonna be some cooking going on, maybe some fitness coming soon, and a lot of travel for sure. Yeah, give it a thumbs up, subscribe please, and I'll see you guys next video.